The bat is not a toy, it's a weapon. It gives me everything in life, which helps me to do everything on the field. The more centuries that I am able to score, the happier I will be. I want to be relaxed in my personal life. I really don't like to be hassled. Becoming an inspiration for kids is great. I want to inspire them to do whatever they want to. You have to stay fresh and blank in your mind when you go out to bat. You complicate things, and you're gone. I am very happy playing and showing off my talent on the cricket field and have no plans to enter Bollywood. I love wearing whatever is comfortable, and that could be something which was in trend years ago. So, I don't follow fashion. Good Punjabi music before a match pumps me up. It gives me a kick. I like to always lead from the front and set an example for whoever is playing with me or around me. I like taking responsibilities. That is my natural thing. I wasn't very good in academics, but I could have been if I could have studied well. I was a smart kid. I want to elongate my cricketing career as a consistent player. I have personal goals I would like to achieve someday. Never at any point did I feel like missing a training session. I was very keen on improving as a cricketer and as an international player. Delhi means everything to me. This city has given me everything, and I love it. People from North India are generally known to be aggressive and emotional. I want my wardrobe to be full of good clothes, so that when I'm deciding what to wear, I don't run out of options. I love shopping. I'm not a nerd, don't plan to be a nerd and read books, which I can't do at all.